Okay, welcome to foreign language teaching, to technology teaching English as a foreign language. And we are gonna see what you have been doing. You are group number. I'm gonna see each one of the groups, and I'm gonna go in order. That was my idea when I said that we were gonna have a web, but as we could not do it, then I'm going to show you one by one what the expectations are. So in here, the expectations are, first of all, you as a group have some contributions here, and I need to check on each one of the participations and see what is going on. So first of all, I open this forum on the 26th of March, and it's already the 24th of April, so it's been a month working with this task. So I would like to see how everything has been and how you've done. In here it says Miss Ingrid is sharing here a group blog, and she's telling us that she did, or that you guys did, a session, like an individual session. So I told Miss Ingrid to let me go in, because at the beginning I didn't have any permissions. So I received these permissions like these days, and I could open it and see what was going on. Let me see if I can log in with Google, because my campus is open, my Gmail account is open. So let me see if I can open it with the Gmail account. You see? So this is the first problem that I see. When you create the weeks, you have to make sure that you give me permission to edit or to see what you're working with. Because I said it before, and I wrote to the group saying, hey, I need permissions from you in order to see this, and I received an invitation, and I was thinking that I could see it, but I couldn't see it. So that's the first problem, and that's the first thing you need to check on. Okay, I gave you it says on April the 13th, I said I couldn't see the links posted. Then you send me a screenshot of Randall, because it means that you have done what you are meant to do. But when I see Randall's screenshots, that's only some of the points that you are supposed to get. Some of the points are for working on Randall's blog, explore it, see the links, do the activities, right? But there is no sense in showing the whole screenshots with just the front pages. I need to see the scores. So when you finish, I can see the scores. I don't see the scores. So let me show you what I can do. I open here Randall's blog or Randall's lab. Then I practice on the exercises. Let's suppose that I selected my listening activities. My level is easy. When I start solving it, let's see that I'm gonna present a listening easy listening. When I do it, for example, let's suppose that I decided to present the listening test. Then I do the test.
Tim, so are you doing some last-minute shopping before the weekend?
Well, actually, I'm looking for supplies to put...
I do it, and then it tells me, incorrect, you haven't done it. Those are the screenshots that I need you to show me in your group. So I see that you really did it. Because when you show me this screen that you're showing me right now, I don't see your work. Then I see here again. Another screenshot that you sent me. And then I see what I'm working with. Then I see what I was asking for. So when I close here, I check again. Those are evidences. Great. Evidences. Evidences. Then evidences. And then I see there is another link that you created. So I'm going to see how it works and to see if you give me permission to see this one. Oh, it doesn't open again. So please make sure that your links really work, and make sure you give the permission so you share the blog with everyone, because it looks like I cannot click on the buttons. Then I try on the blog, then I try on about, on contact. Look, for example, it says, hi, I'm Malcolm Frischman. So you have points for the exploration of the blog. If you want to get the points, you need to do it. Because at the moment, there isn't any like material created. And you need to make something very similar to this. That it has got a lot of materials, a lot of listening activities, it got some tips. So you need to make sure that this blog that you are creating looks like this one in terms of contents. Then I'm gonna open Rogers here. This is Rogers, I don't know, because for example in this screenshot there isn't anything done. In this one, yep, he did something. Intermediate levels, I guess that it's this one exercise, like this exercise. And in the difficult level, I don't know, I guess that it's this couple of things. Basic quizzes, probably. So this is the score, and this is what he has been doing. Okay, I see Roger has been practicing. And then I see again my recommendation that I gave you on Wednesday. Then it says, does each partner create audios and questionnaires? Yes, they have to do it. So here Ingrid started doing the Ambo Carus because that's what she decided to do. I'm gonna see if it works or not. She's doing the audios, so that is good. And my 2 audios. Okay, these are the transcripts. So let me see.
Okay, let's start with a listening exercise for intermediate level. So this
Super. I see that works well. And then the final contribution is the listening for academic purposes. It says we have, but we are going to make other audios. I share the audios of tips for teachers, of basic listening quiz, and 20 minutes lectionnaires. So let me see what you created. Okay, I saw it already, and I'm writing the feedback here. I'm saying, hey Miss Parra, I wanted to tell you a couple of things. First, you received your invitation to see the link. That was what I told you before. And I wanted to know if you created that or not. You took it from Randall's. So you're going to see how many points each activity will give you. Because according to what you have done, you'll receive a score. So if we see here, excuse me, it's not here, it's here.